Tara, let's explore Windsor, England!
We've been waiting for so long. We've been waiting for this time to begin. We ain't getting any older. I kinda feel a little younger. Run away and embrace the day. The sun is out, won't go away. Feel the clouds on your shoulder. Touch the sky, feeling bolder. Going out, going out, going all the way. Going out, yeah, yeah. Going out, going out, going all the way. Going high, going all the way. Going up, going all the way. Going up.
Hi guys, I'm Julius.
And I'm Tristan. We're chasing adventures one stop at a time.
Welcome to our travel vlog.
Hello mga kalakwatsa! For today's gala, i-explore naman natin ang Windsor. St. Czeslaw for Windsor. Ito tayo, 9:38 tayo. So, wait na lang natin kung anong platform siya.
Hello mga kalakwatsa! For today, papunta tayo sa Windsor Castle. And alam nyo ba guys, nung ni-research ko siya, that castle is the oldest and largest in the whole world. Kaya nakaka-excite. I don't know if right, pero double check ko kung tama. Yeah, pero since tipid lang kami talaga mga kalakwatsa, nagbaon kami ng sandwich, which is ginawa siya ni Tantan. Nagbaon din kaming water.
Binook namin yung ticket namin through Trainline. It's one of the applications here in the UK if you wanna book any places. Example, you wanna go outside London, yeah, you can use the application Trainline. I'll share it on the screen. Meron din yung live tracker na kung saan pwede nyo makita yung mga stops para hindi kayo maligaw. Very straightforward siya. You just have to book it through that app and then pay it online or even digital payment like Apple Pay. You can also use that payment. The weather is very nice kasi still winter now. The weather is crispy. Ibig sabihin medyo malamig na mainit. Yan. Ganda-ganda ng araw ngayon. Perfect time to travel and explore wonderful places here in England. So, samahan nyo kami guys! Yan guys, so basically kapag nagta-travel kami, we want to maximize things that you can do for free when traveling here in England. Para hindi naman masyadong magastos kapag nagbabiyahe, di ba? So we search things to see for this castle. There's also changing of the guard. It's also like in Buckingham Palace na.
Yes.
Yeah, may change.
Which is hopefully makita namin, pero kung wala, grateful pa rin. Most probably baka makakita kami ng guard pa din doon, pero hindi na changing.
Oo, totoo. Huwag kayong magalala. Pag meron kami nakita, share namin. Kasi according sa internet, sa search namin sa internet, sabi, meron na siyang schedule. So we're planning to see changing of the guard ceremony. Also, the famous long walk. It is a free scenic stroll through Windsor Great Park.
Medyo mahaba-haba yung ano.
Nakaraan. Kaya excited kami doon. Sabi mo, napakaganda ng ano niya. Sa internet, napakaganda. Since it's winter, mostly the greens are actually dry. Trees are dry, the leaves are dry. So we're not expecting mostly green around. But hopefully, kahit unti-unting view ma-share natin sa trip na ito. Also, the Crooked House of Windsor. The view of famous tilted historic building.
Okay, ako hindi ko na sinerch yung kung anong tsura niya. Gusto ko may surprise. So, ang nakita ko lang talaga castle. So, yeah, let's see yung mga iba pang pupuntahan namin. Which is free lang naman around the Windsor Castle. So, abangan nyo sa aming video, guys.
So marami kayong makikita mga free things, and kapag meron pa tayong budget, you can also try to visit the castle itself. May entrance fee lang siya.
How much ba?
Sa nakita ko sa booking.com, it's about 35 pounds. We can also search more which platforms or applications ang pwede nyo i-check out whenever you wanna buy tickets para makapasok kayo.
Para makamura kayo kapag bumili kayo online. May nakita din ako na nag-search ako, mas mura siya online. Like 32 pounds siya. Pero kapag dun daw is 35. So let's see, tingnan natin, i-confirm natin kung magkano siya dun. Sana nagmura siya. Sana may discount.
Well, check out natin later, guys! So, change tayo ng platform. So, going to Windsor Central. Yung ticket na nakuha namin, guys, ay may change lang siya na one station. Magandang araw! Oo. Hey, dito na tayo. Excited ka? Yeah. The Queen train. Ano to train ito? Old train. Windsor started out as a small Saxon settlement, but it really took off after William the Conqueror built Windsor Castle in the 11th century, turning it into a royal hotspot. Today, it's a charming riverside town where centuries of royal history still shape the atmosphere you'll experience as you wander around. Castle wall na to eh. Then, parang Scotland, no, Julio? Kita mo yung mga old English building dito. First stop natin ay Queen's Walkway. We found the Queen's Walkway. Mga kalakwatsa, alam nyo ba dito sa Windsor marami silang mga alleyways? Let's explore one! Thank you. Wow. Full of surprises talaga pag pumasok ka sa mga alleys nila. May mga wine bar. Yan. Coffee. Ang cool. Dito na tayo lumabas. Hindi busy yung street nila, tahimik, no?
Maybe it's mga nasa school sila.
Nasa
no?
school or nasa work.
Nasa work. And it's weekdays. So,
Yeah. It's a big factor. Ang cool ng house ito, lakas maka Bridgerton. Yeah. Welcome to Windsor and Eton Bridge. Ay, wow! Guys, look! Mga kalakwatsa! Super ganda! Welcome to Windsor and Eton Bridge! Ang ganda, guys! The bridge, the river on the side of the bridge, guys! Super ganda! Kaya nga eh. Morning, guys!
Andito kami ngayon sa high street nila. Maraming mga store, bookshops, pero close pa sila.
Kaya nga eh, to think it's past 10 now,
Yup.
in the morning. Pero makikita nyo yung high street, medyo tahimik pa.
Ang dami talagang shops. Maraming pagpipilian, mga books, mga pwedeng kainan, like that.
Tsaka mga coffee shops, ang dami. Nakakatuwa. Alam mo yung napaka-relaxing ng walk. Kung gusto mo lang mag-chill, lakad-lakad ka lang dito sa paligid. Grabe, napaka-relaxing ng Inglaterra talaga.
Punta kami Eton College. Medyo historically sa British, itong Eton College has a significant sa kanilang history.
Yeah.
So, let's see. Papunta na kami doon.
Mga kalakwatsa, alam niyo ba that Eton College was founded in 1440, which makes it over 580 years old today. It specializes in a broad traditional academic education, especially strong subjects like history, literature, and politics. Guys, on your right side, makikita na ang Eton College. But of course, we're not allowed to enter. Tingnan niyo yung mga uniform nila, guys, parang Harry Potter. Lakas maka Hogwarts. Fun fact, Eton College still requires many of its students to wear traditional tailcoats and waistcoats. That is part of their school uniform, something that's been kept for centuries. Parking side ng Eton College. We're not allowed to go inside. Kasi syempre, school yon.
Allow for public.
Para siyang ano, ang lakas maka-Hogwarts ng dating. Alam mo yun, parang school ground ng Hogwarts. Kasi yung mga uniforms nila, especially now it's winter. So coat sila na black. Cool. So this is Eton School Library, but of course it's not open for public.
I could like be nowhere near them. Nahanap mo.
Daming swan.
Look at this one, guys.
Cute nila.
Ang ganda nung ano, no?
Hi, vlog!
How many swans did you see?
I see 3,900.
Wow, that's a lot.
Oh my God! There's a lot of...
Bye
Hi,
bye.
vlog!
Like and share.
Like and share and subscribe if you want to see the doctor.
Hi guys! So napagod kami and pahinga muna tayo sa McDonald's.
Yeah, for almost
Coffee break?
2 hours walk na.
No, 2
Ginawa
hours na
namin.
din, 2 hours walk.
So, break muna tayo para magkaroon ng enough energy. Nagmakto kami. Rice, wrap, and then hot chocolates.
Ako, toffee nut. Toffee nut coffee.
How much to lahat ay?
This is 7
Almost 8 pounds.
Yeah, almost 8 pounds. 7.88 pounds.
Okay, kain.
Kain tayo!
A prince and a king.
Windsor Castle is the oldest and the largest inhabited castle in the world. It's still regularly used by the royal family today. It's been home for the British monarchs for nearly 1,000 years. Fun fact, alam nyo ba that this castle has a mini village inside? Including a post office, staff housing, and even its own police force. So it functions almost like a small town behind the walls.
Ayun, nagsimula na pala.
Hindi ba nakarecord?
Ayun, pag ganyan.
Okay.
Hello mga kalakwatsa! Hello mga kalakwatsa!
Hello!
Nakakatawa, di ba? Nag-a-adjust pa din ng mga tito nyo sa paggamit ng DJI. Pero you know guys, sobrang majestic
Maganda
yung
dito.
makita yung personal yung castle. Para kang nung bata yun na pinapanood mo lang.
Oo.
Pero ito totoo na tong castle.
Tsaka tingnan mo yung mga grid niya sa taas. So parang yung mga castle na napapanood na natin sa Game of Thrones.
Yeah,
Ganon
this
yung
one
tsura
is
niya.
legit na to mga kalakwatsa. Currently, sarado siya so hindi kami allowed pumasok.
Baka may event sa loob. or
Probably,
something. Kasi
oo.
this is a functioning castle. Ibig sabihin, may mga residente pa rin dyan na nakatira.
Pumupunta
and then,
pa rin sila yung mga
mga royal family.
mga royal family there.
And then may portion lang dito na inopen for public, lalo na for tour. So yun, makikita nyo siya sa mga booking platforms kung magkano entrance, ganyan.
We will go now to our next destination will be
In the Crooked House. So there's
Crooked
a
House.
house here that's a bit crooked. So tingnan natin kung gano'n siya ka-crook. Kasi sa Canterbury may ganun din. So tingnan natin. Pero tingnan nyo guys yung view sa paligid. I-ano natin yung camera. Check it out. Ganda oh. Ang lakas. Meron siyang parang Scotland na dating. Edinburgh. Pero mas steep lang yung Scotland. Ito medyo banayad yung lakaran.
hindi siya parang malabundok din.
Oo. Pero ang ganda guys.
See you on our next destination.
Chambo. The Crooked House became tilted over time because of its upper floors were rebuilt with heavier materials, causing the original timber structure to slowly shift and settle unevenly. As centuries passed, the natural movement along with the repairs and ground settling exaggerated the lean, giving its famously crooked appearance. Dapat nakaganon ka, Julio. Dapat nakaganon, nagilig ka. The Crooked House.
Ba't kaya siya yung ganun?
The Crooked House. Trito Museum, guys. So, let's go. You can get some brochures here. Information ito. Pati yung rito.
Welcome to Windsor and Royal Borough Museum. Free dito, free.
Windsor and Royal Borough Museum is a small but very interesting local museum. It tells the story of Windsor and the surrounding Royal Borough through everyday objects, photos, and exhibitions. It focuses on how local life has developed alongside with royal presence, from the growth of the town to its connections with the monarchy and famous landmarks nearby. Windsor from the sky. St. John the Baptist Church is one of the oldest surviving churches in town, with origins going back to medieval times, and it has long been closely connected to the community of Windsor. Mga kalakwatsa, nakahang dito yung Last Supper. Saan ulit? Oh, yes. Mga kalakwatsa, this is a 17th century artwork by a German artist. It's drawn since 1600. Grabe ang ganda. Ayun na, it's a really long walk from here to there. You can see.
Andun maganda yung ano.
So we're gonna do the long walk. And right behind us is the view of the castle. Guys, ang sarap ng panahon.
Yeah.
Alam mo yung araw pero ang lamig.
Yeah, it is.
May English word dito eh. I found it in one of the posts I read on Instagram. It's called apricity.
Yeah.
It means the warmth of sunshine in winter.
Gusto ko din yung ganito, maaraw pero malamig.
Kaya nga, yun, sarap.
Sobrang haba naman eh.
Oh. Hanggang doon pa sa unahan, guys. Tingnan. There. Sino ba naman hindi may inspired sa ganda ng paligid? Ang mapapasabi ka na lang talaga na, thank you, Lord. Sarap. Maglalakad ka lang. Kaya, importante na you look around from time to time in life, you know? Start to be grateful.
Perfect na nakapunta tayo ngayon. Ang ganda ng panahon. And makita natin yung view from there. Makita natin yung view ng Windsor Castle.
Yeah. And you know, ma-realize mo na England has a lot of things to offer in every season of the year. And it's winter now, pero parang ano na eh, pa-end na siya. Dahil ang tirik na araw, pero napakaganda, guys. I-enjoy natin yung view. Check this out. Welcome to Windsor Castle. Lalakad tayo all the way there.
Another mile again.
Is it? Okay.
Seems like another mile.
So we'll go there.
The oil cone deep. It's
Park
a deep of a deer.
You first.
Windsor Great Park na to.
This might make me habol. Oh my god.
Almost close to the end of this walkway.
Yeah, almost. I think this is just 10 of the 15 minutes.
Oo, grabe. Tingnan nyo. Nandun, guys. Ito.
And there's a horse fighting.
Nandun siya.
Horse fight.
Yung para monument. Pero baka hanggang doon lang kami sa paanan. Hindi na kami didiretso doon kasi medyo matarik siya eh. Konti na lang, guys! Woo!
Almost there. We can do this because we are Filipino. We will raise our flag, guys. We will raise our flag. We will ensure that make you proud, guys. Pinoy proud. Pinoy proud?
Pinoy pride.
Pinoy pride, sorry.
But hashtag Pinoy proud.
Pinoy proud.
Kapit na, guys! See you there!
Almost there.
Guys, yung nasa end part pala nito is Copper Horse statue located on the Snow Hill. This is a large bronze monument depicts King George III on horseback at makikita nyo ang panoramic views back towards the Windsor Castle which is on the opposite side. Yeah. Lapit na namin, guys. And right at the opposite of it is yung Windsor Castle nasa dulo. Wow! Can you guys see it? Lit na lang niya. Diba? Doon kami galing kanina. At nandito kami ngayon. Yan na siya.
Doon kami sa end of long walk, which you're gonna see this horse, I don't know, horse.
Copper Horse. Sari na natin yung hill. I-hike na natin yung hill kasi lapit na lang eh. See you there. Okay. So hiking po ito. Hiking pala ito, guys. Konti na lang. Laban nyo lang, guys, ay yung mga tae. Pero okay rin naman. Okay, let's see the view. Wow. Julio, 360 tayo. Woo, 360 view. Ikot.
Finally.
We reached the summit.
That's nice.
Worth it? Worth it. Nakababa na tayo, guys. So lalakad na naman tayo pabalik. See you sa castle.
Finally, pero pabalik na kami. It's another round. And medyo
2 mile na naman siya.
2.1 miles. Pero nung it's like 4 kilometers. More than 4 kilometers. So, kaya natin to. Hello guys, I'm hungry. Nagutom ako. So, kinain na namin yung binaong tinapay na gawa ni Tantan. Thank you. Sarap.
take a break din.
Pero hindi.
Baba na kayo.
Pero kailangan namin bumalik kasi anong oras na din. Look at the view. Napakaganda, di ba? Oh my goodness. Kain tayo, mga kalakwatsa.
Enjoy. High Street.
Hi guys, this is our lunch pero naging dinner na siya. So kumain kami sa this is Singaporean restaurant.
I think, Hong Kong.
I don't know, pero yung pagkain nila nakain na namin ito sa Singapore. Sobrang sarap. Yung in-order ko is roasted
Pork.
duck.
Ay, duck.
Roasted duck. This one.
And roasted pork.
And then this one is parang
Roasted pork.
and this is my I think pork or pig. Sobrang sarap talaga dito. Ulit, ang daming rice. Mainit ang food. Talagang very, for me, Asian food siya. Kaya,
Guys, crispy pork pala.
kumain na kami, pasensya na.
Kumain na kami. So, ganun din yung in-order ko. Pero char siu na pork yung akin.
Char siu yung sa'yo. And
So-
then, crispy
Crispy pork. Crispy pork pala, hindi siya fried pork.
with
Pak choy. Sobrang gutom na namin kanina dahil di ba nag-hike-hike kami. Na hindi naman planado ng hike.
so, hindi,
So,
hindi kasi tayo nakakita ng pakakainan.
oo, dapat doon kami kakain sa may Windsor kaso wala na kami nakita. More on mga fast food lang. Eh gusto namin Asian food. Warm Asian food. So, kaya dito kami pumunta. Malapit na lang sa bahay namin.
Yeah, malapit.
So, kain tayo guys. Maraming salamat sa pagsama nyo today mga kalakwatsa. Sana na-enjoy nyo ang Windsor trip natin today. To God be the glory. Thank you po, Lord. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, at comment kayo kung anong paborito nyong part sa trip na to. Check out these videos for more travel adventures.